Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a VW Golf door panel. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool, a Torx bit set, and a flathead screwdriver. Begin by gently prying up the window switch panel using your trim tool, then carefully disconnect its electrical connector. Next, you will find and remove the two screws located behind the door handle, which are crucial for the next steps. Once the initial screws are out, use your plastic trim removal tool to gently pry around the bottom and sides of the door panel. You'll hear the retaining clips release as you go. Work your way up, ensuring all clips are free. Before fully detaching, check for any additional electrical connectors that might still be attached to the panel and carefully disconnect them to avoid damage. With the clips released and electrical connectors disconnected, the next step is to unclip the door handle cable. This usually involves a small lever or clip that needs to be pressed or pulled. Once that's free, you can carefully lift the entire door panel straight upwards to fully remove it from the door frame. Remember to place the panel in a safe, clean area to prevent any scratches or damage. To reinstall the door panel, reverse the steps. First, align the panel correctly and firmly push it into place, ensuring all retaining clips snap back securely. Reconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cable, then reinstall all screws you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is snug and functional. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to add convenience and entertainment to any room.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.